Hello, my cherished viewers. This is another question in WASSCE 2025 core mathematics. This is question 10A, and the question says the points M, N, and L lie on a circle with center O. An angle subtended at the center by the minor arc MN is 88 degrees. Illustrate the information in a diagram. If L is a point on the minor arc, determine the value of the angle subtended by the chord MN at L. So now let's look at how the sketch will be. Solution. So we have a circle, then the center here, center O. So we have a radius, we have another radius, then we have our chord here. So this is center O. Then we have the chord to be MN. And the question is saying that an angle subtended at the center is 88 degrees by the minor arc. This is the minor arc MN. The minor arc MN subtended at the center O. Alright, so this will be the information. Then the question continued by saying that if L is a point on the minor arc, so the L will be here. Determine the value of the angle subtended by the chord. So this is the chord MN at L. So we are looking for this angle theta. So how are we going to find the angle theta? Now this is going to be an aspect from circle theorem. Circle theorem. So first of all, I am going to introduce short dashes. Short dashes. And then another short dashes here. All right. Yes, like this. Then here I'm going to name it Q. So I have M, Q, N, L, and then center O. Now the angle here, if I want to get the angle here, so let me make it beta. Then my beta is going to be 88 degrees over 2. And this is one theorem under circle theorem. So I'm going to get 44 degrees. And I'm going to state the reason. This is the reason. The angle, and the angle that I have written here, I am referring to the 88 degrees. So the angle subtended by the chord MN to the center O is twice the angle, and now the second angle is the beta that I have indicated here. Is twice the angle subtended by the same chord MN to the circumference of the circle to the circumference of the circle. So under circle theorem, anytime an angle is placed here, we divide it by 2 and then get the angle at the circumference. So since I have beta, I can now get theta because beta plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum up to 180 degrees. So we have beta plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. And this is the reason. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum up to 180 degrees. Since we have the value of beta, then we are going to make substitution. So we have 44 degrees plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. So now I have theta to be equal to 180 degrees minus 44 degrees. Then I am getting theta to be 136 degrees. And this will be the angle subtended by the chord MN to L. So let me conclude. Therefore, the angle subtended by the chord MN at L is 136 degrees. I am making conclusion because the question didn't ask you to find theta. I made a representation of theta, just as you can also make any variable to represent the particular angle. So afterwards, we need to conclude. All right. So my cherished viewers, this will be the end of this question. We are going to end here and we are going to look at the next question in our next video. So continue watching, kindly share to everybody, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly like and stay safe. Bye bye.